Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two walking pads that will get you moving and grooving.
On the left side, we have the Scene Fix walking pad, and on the right side, we have the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad.
Get ready for some serious walking action.
Let's kick things off with the price.
The Scene Fix walking pad comes in at $299, while the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad is priced at $259. Now I'm no mathematician, but that's a $40 difference. So if you're looking to save some cash while staying fit, the DeerRun 2024 is the way to go.
Now let's dive into the features. The Scene Fix walking pad boasts a 2-in-1 design, perfect for working while walking or jogging. It has a 2.5 HP motor, 8 silicone shock absorbers, and a 15*32 inches large track to provide a comfortable and joint-friendly exercise experience. Plus, it can support up to 320 pounds of weight. Impressive, right?
On the other hand, the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad offers app-controlled workouts, allowing you to track your progress, connect with the fitness community, and even earn rewards.
Its LED display provides instant insight into your workout, and the remote control makes speed adjustments a breeze. With a 2.5 HP motor, a spacious non-slip running belt, and a weight capacity of 300 pounds, this walking pad is a force to be reckoned with. Let's talk about portability.
The Scene Fix walking pad is designed to be an under-desk treadmill, making it perfect for those who want to stay active while working.
Its lightweight and portable design, along with the wheels at the bottom, allow for easy transportation and storage. Talk about convenience.
Now, the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad takes portability to the next level.
With its compact size and built-in wheels, you can easily move and store it under desks, sofas, or even beds. It's a space-saving marvel.
Last but not least, let's talk about customer service. Both products offer excellent support, but the Scene Fix walking pad promises solutions within 24 hours of raising your questions. That's some speedy assistance right there.
On the other hand, the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad offers round-the-clock online support and a comprehensive 12-month warranty on all purchases.
They've got your back no matter what. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here's what customers have to say. For the Scene Fix walking pad, reviewers love its space-saving design, convenience, and functionality.
They appreciate being able to use it in their apartment during the winter months and while watching TV. The remote makes it easy to use and tracks various fitness metrics. The product is also reasonably priced. As for the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad, customers praise its size, ease of storage, and ability to cater to beginners. It has rollers for easy movement and storage, and the speed can be controlled with a remote control or mobile phone.
Users have found it helpful in increasing their daily step count.
And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Scene Fix walking pad and the DeerRun 2024 upgrade walking pad in terms of price, features, portability, and customer service.
Now it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget.
Remember, smart shoppers always do your research before making a purchase.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more epic comparisons on Buy Smart.
Until next time, happy shopping!